Yeah. Look. Check it out. Glock-40 niggas. It's lethal weapons, we've been speaking reckless. I'm on the tear. That means I see a ripple, then I'm aware. Ripping nipples like it's my motherfucking job, but don't mean that I'm soft. Cause a nigga always go hard like, god damn it, I live that hard life like crack white. That crack rock on the black top, got a wax jump shot, that mean it's pure. I got that follow through, like smoking a blunt or in stalking too. Yeah, that mean I'm at my hell of a grind. In my motherfucking prime, like Prime Royce of 5'9", aka Primo Beats. But that getting slaughtered. Plus the vocals now, like I'm Sean Carter. I leave you folks for the cloud, composing the other fucking crowds. Don't even know what I'm a fucking about till you burn the loud with me at the fucking scene. Yeah, I'm in my gangster league. I said, whatever I'm trying to do, trying to get vagina in the fuel just to get the karma up. I'm rhyming in the slut, I'm not about it. Ebonics getting up, my white bitch, she's so curvy. Yes, I'm so thorough when I get the motherfucking shit that I need to kill DMA, so I don't need no referral, cause I'm already going cop the blicky. Once I get out of this facility, nigga, no mic can kill me. Cause I always blaze them. My freestyle game, spit the kill, and this motherfucker make a fucking $1 million and then $1 million to a trill. Honestly, I kill cops, call it a pig roast. I spit dope, yo fuck the D's and the ops, nigga please. I'm just trying to find a bitch that's look like lemon, so I squeeze. That's not like Liz, but fuck it, I'm in the biz, trying to bag the Roby. Y'all already know I've been the master of my dojo like the sensei. So what the fuck I like the sensei? This some social mission type shit, you know I've been straight. Off the motherfucking top, got about the best 10th grade and then I made it happen. I started starting, but Iverson put me back on the bench cause he started slacking. Started playing the whiteboards more than me and we lost the fraction. A fucking traction that we could have made it with. So I said, fuck that shit. I quit playing with the motherfucking skills that I had on the court and took that skill and translated it into putting a beat on life support. Yeah, my man Joe sliding through the motherfucking scene. I got the cash flow. I've been the OG. My style's complete. So every day I'm on the motherfucking mic. I be elite. Like goddamn, I got this fucking rhyming. The syllables coming through. Never asking it, asking rapping it like Chance the Rapper, making it happen quick, and I don't give two fucks if you ain't fucking with the passion, bitch. Yeah, these bitches softer than some passion fruit. So what the fuck I'm gonna do? Cut the mango when I'm in the booth, like I be in the Mia. That was my mamacita priorly to getting put in a mental hospital. I don't know what I would have done without the mic at the garage band type sessions, you know I spaz, and I know that I'll make it happen. Shut down the honey pot in the Seabrook NH, and I'm about the action, I'm about that life. So I take a hit and I grip the fucking mic, leave you foiled, leave you soiled. You know that I'm doing it right when I'm ripping the dike, I'm pimping it right. You understand these hoes is getting class. I don't give a fuck, I'm schooling you, I just made it pass. Yo, this is really for the A grade, the people that be staying paid. Best believe you was slanging lemonade or slanging hating grade. You try to sip the haterade like my man Kevin say, yo, you been afraid. The renegade like Slim Shady, first home. I don't give two fucks about what you're trying to do or where you go. So understand, I'm like King Crooked on the scene. Where the slaughterhouse, the berries gelato that be the grain. Still falling off you niggas is what the fuck you do. So what the fuck I'm slaying this shit in the vocal booth. I'm trying to get out my head. Extrospective, introspective, introverted. Now I'm extroverted. I'm coming through with the shit that's perfect. Only God that be perfect. So that my style wild and fucking with all the times and fucking with all that shit that you know about it, making sense to make these dollars. And then I'm gonna be immense. I'm trying to get the follows up my Instagram like that. I'm spitting the flipping the syllables, killing it. Matter of fact, I'm right then. So my old girl Michaela gonna follow again. I know this one's for my exes. I've been the ex and the OG playing straight savage shit. Son done. Y'all already done. You ain't got the funds for this. Though I spit it like I'm Big Pun. So every beat, you know I'm ravaging. I get the cabbage kid. It's Glock.